Today we will understand how to put the sign of coordinates in octants. What do you mean by octants? Octants means it has a 8 sections. 8 sections. So this comes under your 3D. Introduction to 3D. Now, so they have given you sign. Sign means positive or negative. As we have already learnt in our 8th class, 9th class and 10th class that in our first quadrant, what are the signs for x and y? That we will write x and y. So we can see here it is the positive x and here is the positive y. That means x and y are positive. Both are positive. And if you see this side in your quadrant 2, what you will get? You can see x is negative, but the y is positive. That we can understand that. In the third quadrant, we can see x and y. Both are negative. This side, this is your x, this is your x dash. So you can see that x dash means x is negative and this is y dash, you can see y is negative. But in fourth quadrant, what happened? X and y. You can see x is positive and y is negative. We can see that. Can we remember this? Yes. Now comes to your 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th quadrant. So how it looks like? Quadrant, how it looks like? It's a 3D dimension. 3 dimensions. So it will be just like this. You can see here, this is your first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, this is your third and this is your fourth. Now if you reverse it, what will happen? You can see one is here and here comes 5th. That means one lies behind the 5th. One lies behind the 5th. And if you see second, you can see here, it's a 6th. It's a 6th. That means 2 lies behind your 6th. And this is your 3. 3 you can see here, this is your 3. If you turn it, it will be 7 here. So that means 3 lies behind your 7. Likewise, 4 lies behind your 8. That means the whatever the coordinates of x and y is there, same coordinate should be here also. So that means what you will get here? X is equal to plus, y is also plus. Here also same, x is minus, y is plus. Here x is minus, y is also minus. And here x is plus, y is minus. Same coordinates. Now comes to your third axis. That is your x-axis, z-axis. So how the z-axis lies? So you can see that if this is your first quadrant, that means upper portion. This is your first quadrant. The x-axis lies just like this, 90 degree to each other. That means you can see the positive values are up. You will get all the positive values in your first, second, third and fourth quadrant. So that means z is positive everywhere. So you can see z is positive everywhere. Now, if you comes to 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, so it lies behind this. And the axis is lying downward like this. So now it will go towards the negative side. So now we can say z-axis everywhere in 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, it should be negative. So z is negative. So this is the easy way to remember this. You can directly remember this. ठीक है, आप इसको नहीं भूल सकते कभी भी. It's very easy. And in your book they have given a table. So they have told you to memorize it. But need not to memorize that table if you know this thing. ठीक है.